everybody and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a very random vlog that I just decided to shoot for all of you. So basically I have to shoot this audition and I thought why not I take you guys along with me, that you know how I prepare myself for the auditions and stuff like that. So I just got out of the shower. I make sure that you know I take shower before recording anything or sending any audition clip, because I think that you know it just makes you feel fresh and you look also really fresh when you are just fresh out of shower. And now we'll get ready and let's just get into it.
So before I begin my makeup, I'm gonna apply this toner on my skin super quick. So my role for this audition is sort of a tomboyish look that they have given to me. So I am not going to do any sort of a girly girl makeup, and I'm going to keep it very neutral and subtle. Yes, you can apply makeup when you're sending in your audition, unless or until they have mentioned it, like, you know, strictly that, you know, you're not supposed to apply any sort of makeup, so you avoid that. But in case they haven't mentioned that, you know, whether you can apply makeup or not, you can apply a little bit of base on your face. Now I'm gonna like apply moisturizer. I use Nivea soft moisturizer. Again, I am having a really tough time deciding upon things that, you know, that's gonna suit my you know, skincare thing, because you know my skin is not our best at all. Next up, we'll apply some sunscreen from Lakme. I am going to apply this primer I got from Nykaa. Again, my skin is like really prone to acne and stuff like that, so I always make sure that you know I'm applying primer before I apply foundation on my skin. And I would like, you know, this is really personal to me. I haven't like told about this on, like, you know, I don't really talk about this much in general, but I have gone through this chemical peeling. Okay, so when I told you that I had a bizarre acne story, I mean it, because there was a time when I had acne on top of my face, like anything, there was a layer of it. And as soon as they got done, like, you know, they started going away, they left like a lot of marks, and I was just not ready to wait for the process where like they can like just go away. So what I did was I went for this process called chemical peeling. I have done 2 sittings for that, and I was pretty much satisfied with how the results came out to be. It literally cleared my skin like anything, okay? Though I don't know, you should only do it if your dermatologist like suggests you, because this is what my dermatologist suggested me at that point, that you know I was like, I want this shit to be cleared off my face as soon as possible, because it's a part, like it was like literally affecting a lot of opportunities that I was getting. So I was just not ready for the wait, so I went for chemical peeling. So you guys can also like ask your dermatologist if like you have a really bad like pigmentation on your face. I have done 2 sittings of chemical peel with salted water, and I'm going to just, so we are done with the base. I just get so surprised the wonders it does, you know, on your skin now. So I have applied a little bit of blush, not something that is too prominent, but it's just like, you know, it makes your skin look more natural. And I have like applied this compact. This is how I do my makeup, like, you know, I look finished. I don't look like, you know, I have a cakey face thing going on my face. As like I said, in this audition I'm playing the role of a tomboyish kind of girl. So I'm not gonna like apply a very dark lip shade, but I'm just gonna like give a tint to my lips like that. Like they look pink, but it doesn't look like, you know, I have a lipstick on it. Again, you know, you can't like follow this procedure like I'm doing it. I always take care about what is the role is about, and according to that I go for my makeup and stuff like that. So I don't do contouring and eyeshadows and stuff like that, but you can definitely do mascara. Ladies do that, you know. Mascara is like something that we think doesn't do much to your eyes, but like, you know, it brings changes, you know, and you should always like do mascara. I'm done with my mascara, and just look at these eyes, like they look so good. That's it. I'm not gonna apply anything much than that, and we are done with our makeup.
This is how it looks. So fresh and not something that is just, you know, going out of the hand. not applying you know, highlighter and stuff like that again, because I have to play the role of a tomboy stuff.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up, I'm not. I think it's hard how we always wait another day, how we watch things that can't just walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were bold to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay with you like an old friend.
And ta-da! I am done shooting my audition, and that's it. This is it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys that, you know, how I record my auditions and what I do. You know, guys, the thing is, whenever, like, nothing comes just like that to you, okay? I don't know whether I'm gonna be selected for this or not. I just don't do something thinking that, you know, whether I can make it or not. No, that's the last point to be discussed about. Thing is, doing your part. Sending audition is my part, and this has to be done from my side. Choosing and getting the job is not something that I'm going to decide for myself, okay? There are like different people who gonna sit and decide this for myself. So I should not, like, you know, bother myself thinking about something that is not even in my control. So this is the, like, the mood I go for with, and just go for it. Like, you know, don't hesitate and just don't get disappointed when you fail. Like, you know, to be really honest, I send audition every single now and then, and rejection is just part of it. I also face this often, so if you're also facing this often, high five to both of us. We are on the same boat, and we'll make it, we'll take it too far. Like, we'll take this boat to the edge together. So yeah, that's it. Read the brief, know what they're looking for, and do what they are asking you to do. Like, you know, provide them what they are looking for. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and want me to make more videos this sort, let me know in the comment section below, and I will do it for you, all of you, for sure. So yeah, guys, that's it. I'm just loving the sunlight that is getting on my face right now. Like, it's so cool now. So bye, guys. On this note, I hope I'll see you guys in the next video. So bye, take care, and I love you so much.